sea salt in it. And we're putting the whole pound of spaghetti in there. Now, the reason we're not breaking it in half is because Oma will not allow me to break the spaghetti in half. She said that you always have to cook the spaghetti as whole. I do not know the reason for that, but I don't question it. I just keep doing it. This is really important because you have to wash the spaghetti with cold water. This is a spaghetti with arugula dish. So I've already cooked the spaghetti. It's perfect. It's a little al dente, but I like it a little al dente. And Oma likes it a little al dente. Okay, there's spaghetti. Empty pan. Now, I want to put a little bit of olive oil on the bottom of the plate. You put it in there. And more olive oil on the top. Like that. And then a little salt and pepper. A little pepper, ground pepper on top. And then we're going to put our famous arugula, which of course is grown in soil and not hydroponically. So it's better flavor, better nutrition, better taste. And then we throw the arugula on top onto this cooled off spaghetti. All of my grandchildren love this meal more than anything else. Every time I have this, in fact, when I don't have it, they said, "Well, where's the spaghetti with the arugula?" It's almost like it's a part of our family gatherings. Cheese is on the table because some people are allergic to cheese for some strange reason, but it's important, and that so that everybody's going to be able to put their own grated cheese on top. Parmesan cheese.
Reggio Parmesan.
Reggio. What is it?
Reggio Parmesan.
Reggio Parmesan. I wish I were Italian. I know how to pronounce all these words. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow for more videos.
Yeah!